In this video, you'll learn how to contact Claude AI support so you can get help quickly whenever you run into a problem or have a question. Whether something isn't working the way you expect, you're confused about a feature, or you just want some guidance, knowing exactly where to go for support will save you time and frustration. First, you'll need to be signed into your account at Claude AI. Make sure you're logged in using the account you actually need help with, especially if you have more than one. If you're not already signed in, open your browser, go to the Claude AI website, and log in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll be looking at the main Claude interface where you normally start your chats. Now, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your initials, your profile picture, or a small profile icon. This is your account menu. Move your mouse down and click on that icon. If you're on a smaller screen, you might need to hover briefly or expand the sidebar to see it clearly, but it will always be in that lower left area of the interface. After you click your profile icon, a small menu will appear. This menu usually includes options related to your account and settings. From this list, look for the option labeled Get Help. This is the entry point to Claude's support experience. Go ahead and click Get Help. Once you click it, a support chat window will open in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where you'll meet Finn, the AI support bot. Finn is designed to help you with common questions, troubleshooting steps, and general guidance about using Claude. You can think of it as a focused assistant for support, separate from your normal Claude conversations. In the chat with Finn, you can start by briefly describing what you need. For example, you might type something like, "I'm having trouble accessing my previous chats," or "Can you explain how billing works?" The clearer and more specific you can be, the better Finn can understand your issue and respond with useful information. If you have error messages, it can help to mention what you were doing when the error happened and what you saw on the screen. Finn will respond directly in that chat window, often with step-by-step suggestions, links to helpful articles, or clarifying questions to narrow down the problem. Take your time reading the replies and follow the instructions it provides. If something isn't clear, you can simply type a follow-up message like you would in any chat. Ask for clarification, say what didn't work, or provide more detail. If your question is more complex, don't worry, start with Finn anyway. Many issues can be resolved right there without needing to wait for a human response. Finn is built to handle a wide range of topics, from basic how do I questions to more detailed troubleshooting. So, to recap the flow in a simple way, sign into your account at Claude.ai, click your initials or profile icon in the bottom left corner, choose Get Help from the menu, and then type your question into the Finn support chat that appears in the bottom right. Once you've done this a couple of times, reaching out to Claude AI support will feel quick and natural whenever you need it.